welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this hair. So it's for a client and I'm going to show you guys the process and the tools that I use. Guys, it's not going to be a very detailed video. I'm going to do some of the things off camera because trust me, if I decide this hair took me about 6 hours to make, so I can't film 6 hours for you guys. You guys know the drill. So yeah, we're just gonna show you the basic stuff, and then this is the finished look, guys. So if you love this hair, let me know in the comment section how I did. I had to film it because it was my first time actually, you know, making this style for someone. So a client of mine wanted me to order this hair for her, but she needs it ASAP, and ordering is gonna take a couple of days. So we decided I make it. So here we are, guys. I love it. I love it. See how secure it is, and I didn't even put any clip, guys. So if you want it to be more secure than this, you may have to use a bobby pin for extra hold. But it's really cute. You just do your all back or any style you want, put it back a little bit, and voila, your hair is made.
Okay guys, so these are the things I'll be using. I'll be using a wig net. I'll be using this strap that has a forgotten what it's called, but that kind of strap that you're just able to clip together. I'll be using these 3 bundles of hair. This is a kinky fro hair, and this particular one is synthetic, and I got it for 8,000 naira. And my needles and threads, wig head basically. So yeah, you want to strap the wig cap to the wig head, measure out the strap, and then, you know, apply it around the head. This particular strap is just basically the same size of a regular human head. So you want to attach it to the cap, clip it down, and then, you know, cut out the extras. Of course, that will be after sewing it down. So now I'm marking the hair. Sorry, I'm marking the strap to show what point I'm gonna sew. So now I'm gonna sew that down. So let's listen to some music while I do that. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna cut out the extras from the band. I found it so hard to do this. I am the kind of person that don't like to waste stuff, but I mean, when it's not needed, you have to cut it off, right? Anyway, yeah, I did cut that off. Then after that, you want to also measure, because I told the person to send me the measurement for her head. But I noticed that while I was sewing it, it kind of still got shorter. However, it still fits. So you measure out where you're gonna sew, the lines where you're gonna sew, so you're just leaving like 1 inch, you know, like the space is gonna be 1 inch spaces. So you want to measure that out so that it's easy for you to sew. You're not gonna be guessing, and you're gonna have an excellent sewing session. I'm gonna put it that way. So now, of course, I'm starting from the first line, and I will definitely work my way up. So this is when the actual work begins, right? So you can see that after sewing that, you have to leave out these extra flaps or straps so that the owner can be able to strap it to fit their scalp eventually. So yeah, we're gonna sew on every single line on this particular cap. So yeah, let's do that. Now we have gone halfway, guys. This is 1 bundle, and I must say that this hair is quite full. If it was mine, I'm gonna use the whole thing, but my client doesn't want so much volume, so I eventually didn't use everything. This is the second bundle of the hair. So we're gonna sew. So this is my most difficult part of making this particular wig, guys. Like, I wanted a seamless finish, a flawless finish. I didn't want the edge of the band to show, and I didn't want the edge of the weave on to also show, guys. And guys, I didn't even eventually sew it this way, but this is one way if you can do it easily, right? So in the end, it's all about figuring out what works for you. So I figured out another way to do it, and I couldn't film that session because it was exhausting, guys. I am so sorry about that. Anyway, guys, here the hair is done. You can see how full it is. The third bundle is remaining, but then I just took out a very little, not even up to half, to finish up the hair because I felt like this is too much. And guess what? Eventually I had to trim it down to a shorter length. I didn't feel the need to add that clip to this video because I didn't want it to be longer. But this is the original finished look. But before delivering it to the owner, I had to trim it. I felt like I was wasting this hair. Like I had to cut out a lot because my client is almost a minimalist. Like, she just doesn't like too much of things, too much hair, too much makeup and stuff like that. So I had to trim it down for her. But for me, I love this hair, and if I ever get to make it for myself, which I suspect I would, even if it's not with this particular hair, I'm gonna make my full because I love volume, guys. So yeah, this is it. What do you think?
So this is what it looks like inside, because those lines are gonna clean up eventually. My client didn't want it to be tight, so I had to find this band to hold it together. So this is actually my first time doing this. So I recommend, for those that you want to wear this yourself, like, you have to lay your edges first if it's something that you love to do. Push that back. Yeah. There we go. Guys, what do you think? This is a beautiful one, right? It's actually cute. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Like, are you sure I'm not gonna keep this for myself and tell her that something happened and give her back her money? I love it. It's so secure. I'm someone that doesn't like wearing makeup every day. This is a very nice, simple look that will just still make your face pop. Wow, wow, wow. So yeah, guys, how do you think it turned out? Do you like it? How did I do? So yeah, we are done here. I'm thinking of trimming it, but because it's not mine, I want to leave it like that because she said she wants a little volume, not too long, but I think this one is long, and this was like the shortest length I could find in the market. So I'm gonna leave it for her. If she wants, she can trim it. If not, I'm saying, no, like, it's making my face just pop, guys. I love it. I have to make one for myself because it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Or am I just blowing my trumpet, guys? What do you think? Is it not fine? It's a nice hair, right? So I'm just gonna package that for my client, and I hope she likes it. I love it, but I hope she likes it because it's not mine. I'm just rocking it and just seeing how it's on. Like, this hair literally took my whole day because it was the first time I'm making it, and then this front was troublesome because I had to figure out a way to make it so that the edges of the hair doesn't show and also the edge of the band doesn't show, guys. And I got it, but it took me a while to figure that out, but yeah, I did it. So guys, yeah, that was all for this video. Thank Thank you for watching and see you next time.